Greetings with peace, viewers. Our healthy recipes for today are honey, lime fruit, and coffee. Lime fruit is a citrus fruit that belongs to the Rutaceae family. It is a small, round fruit that is green to yellow in color when ripe. Lime is closely related to other citrus fruits such as lemon, orange, grapefruit, and tangerine. Limes are a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that is important for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. They also contain other nutrients such as vitamin B6, potassium, and folate. The juice and zest of limes are used in many traditional remedies and natural health products. Extract the lime fruit. Coffee is a popular beverage made from roasted coffee beans, which are the seeds of the Coffea plant. The coffee plant is a tropical evergreen shrub that is native to Africa, but is now grown in many parts of the world. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can help increase alertness and concentration. It also contains antioxidants, B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, manganese, and chromium. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee. Add warm water. Add the lime juice. Honey is a sweet and viscous substance produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. It contains several nutrients that may benefit human health, including carbohydrates, antioxidants, enzymes, vitamins and minerals, antibacterial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and prebiotics. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and then mix well. Now it's ready to drink.